Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to take the Shinkansen, which is the high-speed bullet train from Osaka to Tokyo. This is the first time mom has taken the high-speed train in Japan, so I'm very excited to take her with us. So this is us as usual. Whenever we go on like a journey, we'll always stock up on like snacks. Even though the snack was meant to last us for the entirety of the journey, we usually just end up finishing them before the trip even started. Very typical. Anyway, enjoy some of the scenery that we took during the journey. Okay, now let me show you what the inside of the Shinkansen looks like. So here's the restroom area. So there's like a mirror. Don't judge me for what I'm wearing. Like, I don't know why I didn't bring any long sleeves, so I had to wear the short sleeve over my thermals because it was freezing cold. Anyway, here's the male toilet. And that's it. So this is what the arrangement looks like. We just booked the basic seat, so it was like 2-3 configuration, but it was very comfortable. And before we realize it, we are already in Tokyo. So here's us taking the connecting train to go to our hotel. So we decided to stay in this area called Akasaka, which I will highly recommend if you plan to come to Tokyo, because Akasaka is very well connected with the train system and is on the two major train line. So for most of the tourist destination that you want to go to, you can actually well connected from here, and it doesn't take you too long. So all the major destinations are probably like 10 to 20 minutes on the train right away. And the one that we are staying in is called Akasaka XL, I think. So it was pretty hard for us to find a hotel that can fit all three of us into one room. So this is one of the very few. And the room was actually pretty decent size for Japan standard, or especially for Tokyo standard. And given its location, which is just right across from the train station, this is everything that we needed and were looking for. So yeah, and this is what the room looks like. So there are 3 single beds, so it's perfect for after checking in a hotel, and it was already like evening time. So we decided to just check out the local neighborhood. So from the hotel, there's like a connecting bridge that takes you to the other side of the road, and that's where all the restaurants and eateries are. So one thing I would say is like, because we travel during winter, so we don't really get a lot of like daytime. So if you want to like see more of the cities, do more stuff during the day because it's not as cold. Winter is probably not the best time to travel. Like, first of all, you have to wear lots of clothes, so then it get quite tiring. Like going into like restaurant and stuff, you have to always like take off your clothes, and then like when you leave the place, you have to put it on again. So there's a lot of like constantly like taking on and taking off. And also because it's winter, so it's really cold and makes you quite tired as well. So I think the best time to come to Japan probably I would say is during the spring or fall season. So like in the month of like April to May, or from September to November, for example. And that's it. That's the first day of us in Tokyo. And as usual, we just chill in the room afterwards with some tea and some snacks that we got from 7-Eleven. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!